How to make Kahlua Kioki Coffee, easy cocktail recipe. Ingredients: 1.5 ounces Kahlua, half an ounce brandy, 1 cup hot coffee, 1x whipped cream. Instructions: start by brewing your favorite coffee. Make sure it's hot and freshly brewed for the best flavor. In a heat-proof glass or mug, pour in 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters, of Kahlua. This will provide the rich coffee flavor and a touch of sweetness to the cocktail. Next, add 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, of brandy to the glass. Brandy adds depth and complexity to the cocktail, enhancing the overall flavor profile. Carefully pour 4 ounces, 120 milliliters, of the hot brewed coffee into the glass. The heat from the coffee will help to blend the Kahlua and brandy seamlessly, creating a deliciously warm cocktail. Give the mixture a gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. Now, it's time to garnish your cocktail with a generous dollop of whipped cream. You can use homemade whipped cream or store-bought, whichever you prefer. The cream adds a luxurious texture and a touch of indulgence to the drink. Optionally, you can sprinkle some cocoa powder or grated chocolate on top of the whipped cream for an extra flourish and a hint of chocolate flavor. Serve your Kahlua and brandy coffee cocktail immediately while it's still hot and the whipped cream is fresh. Enjoy your decadent creation as a delightful treat to warm you up on a chilly day or as a luxurious after-dinner drink to savor and enjoy. This Kahlua and brandy coffee cocktail with whipped cream is sure to impress with its rich flavors and creamy texture. Cheers to indulgence!